So actually, I just made agent, and I basically named. I basically suggested two names. The one name is Dhania, and second is Boxie, because we are from MealOBox, and so actually we are just building that chat support agent that can help like a customer support. So I'm trying to build just like a real-time support agent. Suppose we have a concern like deliveries or meal issues or any kind of thing. Let's suppose we basically chat with Zomato support. So Zomato support basically initiate the chat with human. So we just want to automate these things with my startup. So this is definitely I just build with low code, and so we can see the problem statement that right now that in our system that delays in regulations, limited availability, and high operational cost. So we just basically utilize this agent so that we can available 24 by 7.
You guys, can we just not discuss right now?
And then we can talk about the solution. So we basically just build through the chat, and then in the future we can implement with the WhatsApp chat, because WhatsApp is a very handy to interact with customers. And the customer like instant resolutions, service as a power and consistency. And if I talk about the user interface, so it will basically depend on the UI of our app. But right now we are basically depending on the end. And data requirement like suppose customer interaction data, order, subscription, vendors and kitchen, delivery data, and which is required that we are working in our startup. And we can talk about the ethical consideration that is very important for all kind of companies and startups, that data privacy and security, transparency and accountability, because we are chatting with them and definitely we just store their data. Fairness and non-discrimination, harm protection, continuous monitoring and bias control. And for validation that I mentioned that I build with anytime like a low code. Deployment like suppose when we work on in a fully execution for my startup, so definitely we can develop deploy with in-house and monitoring with different parameters for monitoring. And the success metric like suppose customer centric metric, operational efficiency, quality and reliability metrics, and continuous learning for the metrics. Okay, so okay, so this is an agent that we already know that we use Google Gemini model for basically LLM, and we implemented simple memory, and right now I basically implemented a mock data of customers of order and subscription, and there we use a simple vector store so that we have some standard guideline of FAQs, so that customer want to ask that can I do that or not. So definitely that agent will give a response in a very efficient manner, and then we use a on-form submission that Farman told us and helped me there to simple vector search, and we are using the embedding the Google Gemini. Okay, so if I am talking about, so this is the live chat. I'm just talking about, I'm just saying hello. So it will reply, hello, I'm Boxie, your AI powers the customer support agent for MealOBox. Okay, and now I just want to check my order status. So it will ask, because right now I'm not logging with mobile application, so definitely it will ask the customer ID. So I'm just putting the customer ID. Okay. So it will redirect with customer basically Excel file, and then basically it will found that your order ID is this and the kitchen name and what you'll order, like a that we can say the quantity of the food, and it will deliver the time and basically paid via UPI. So whatever data we provide in the Excel sheet, it will reflect here, and it will ask that is there anything else I can assist with. We can also integrate it that it will interact with us, because customer support will say that whenever we talk, it will give the reply, but like a MCP kind of thing, we just want a suggestion and something, so we just definitely implement in the future. And now we want to So this is a FAQ thing that I just want. Can I skip my meal? So it will say sure, I can help you with that. Could you please confirm the exact date, meal time, whenever you want to skip? So I will provide the date and time, but definitely it will not indicate it right now because we will not provide the policy right now. And if I can say, can I cancel my subscription? So it will directly integrate it with all FAQs we will provide. So it will say that it will help us. So whenever we communicate with the other data, so it will also help in terms of that it will gives a credibility or basically the accessibility that okay, I can help you to cancel the subscription. So yeah, that's all that I will.